more until 1,000. Oh my gosh! What's up, my skinny tang fam? As you can see, it's pretty lit here in this gamer house. We have this gamer, that epic gamer, that gamer, that gamer, and that gamer, and this gamer. So in this video, I'm gonna hit 1K subscribers.
Why do you say that? That's so mean.
It's not mean, it's true. Oh my gosh, another one. 14 more until I hit 1K. I'm basically gonna watch that until it hits 1K. So guys, let me give you a tour of the new camera. The new Canon camera. It comes with a lens. I got this brand new tripod. And I'm gonna attach this mic soon. I don't know how to take videos on it or use it yet, so that's why I'm not using it quite yet. Anyway, almost at 1K, which is insane. Okay. You're a very tall person. Comparison. He's very, very tall. Alrighty, it's on 995. Like, what? I'm just gonna watch this for many hours. Can't believe it. I can't believe I'm looking at that number right now. There's gonna be an apostrophe right there, and then a 1, 0, 0, 0, 996, 997. Okay, I'm gonna go live on Instagram because I want my Instagram people to know that what is happening right now. Connection. I'm now live. Oh, whoa, whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! One more until 1,000. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yes! 1K! 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 Yes! 1K! I can't believe what I'm looking at right now. This is crazy. This is wow. If that goes back down to 999, I'm gonna be so depressed. You guys see that apostrophe? It's a pretty thick apostrophe. My dream is coming true. Dabbing Trey, Epic Gamer, get in here. Alrighty guys, 1 freaking K. Can't believe that I hit it. That was crazy. Honestly, my goal was to hit 1K at the end of 2019. What do you guys say, my man? He's pretty happy about 1K too. I just want to thank you guys so much. And again, I'll just go on and off about how I want to thank you guys at the end of the video. Doggies. Oh, puppies. Alrighty guys. So, for my 1,000 subscriber special, it's gonna be a little bit like the 400 subscriber special. I'm gonna be making some gigantic metallic gold slime. So, got this nice container that I bought at Walmart. Got the glue, this water, activator and deactivator. I just need a spoon, so I'll be right back. Oh, this is heavy. Oh dear. Alrighty, dumping in the clear glue. Here it goes. So big and large. This may take a while. So, alrighty, let's see. I'm gonna add in some water to make it a little bit better. And now I mix this all together. Alrighty, I think that's enough. So my tactic when I add in color is I add in color before I activate, because it's just easier to mix in, but adding in color to activate the slime is pretty fun. Alrighty guys, here we go. Adding in some golden metallic paint. Ooh, that's a lot at once. Whoa, okay. Wow. So nice. Okay, here we go. Gonna mix that all in. Okay, time to activate. I think this isn't gonna activate it yet. I think it's just gonna, I don't know what this does. Does it? I don't know. I'm gonna find out as I mix. Saline or contact solution. And there we go, it comes out. Perfect. Alrighty, something that I can already see happening is little white chunks. I gotta take those out. Okay. I'm not an expert slime maker, but I know that I don't like those white chunks. And those chunks are the only things that are active. The rest of the slime is just golden liquid. Alright, I got my test bowl with me here, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this and dump it in here. And I'm gonna dump it in there. And I'm going to add in dark solution, mix it with my finger. Okay. Oh no! Oh my gosh! The spoon is completely submerged. So much rip. Alright, well I'm just gonna use my one very sticky hand to wondrous. Wait a minute. Yeah, the slime is activated! Yes! Oh, my arm is so tired. So messy. More activated. Help. Oh, no you don't.
2,000 years later.
Alrighty, I'm over here now. Slime is done. It took so long to activate this stuff, guys. It honestly, it took forever. Could not activate it. And I did. And now it's good. It's not gold yet because of all the air bubbles, but once it clears up, it should be a nice, wonderful golden. Might need to add more paint.
The next day.
Alrighty, my Mick fam, look at this slime. Wow, look at that thick goodness. It's sort of cleared up. Look at that. It's pretty lit, if I don't say so myself. Mini ASMR. I love it. It's not completely gold. It still has yet to clear up. You guys take a look in there. That is some pretty nice golden slime. Oh, it's so glossy. So golden and nice. I might have to add in more gold paint, but here's another one of the gold slimes. I got a brand new slime cabinet. It should be here. I should do this. I want this slime to be more like this one, because this one is like actual golden. Like, look at this. It's very glossy and gold. Look at this. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am using my new camera. I used the old camera for the intro of this video, but I am using the new camera. Look, 1.3K. That is insane. Thank you guys so much for all the support that you guys have given me. So hope you guys enjoyed this 1K video. The New Year's video should be coming out after this. And I did use my old camera for that one because I didn't know how to use it and I didn't really have enough time to figure out how to use it. So that one's going to be the old camera. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. And make sure you guys turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'm going to see you guys in the next vlog. Peace. Guys, make sure that you have smashed the subscribe button and make sure you have our post notifications turned on so you get notified when we post new content. The last vlog that we did, link in the description below, guys, and we're going to see you in the next video. Peace.